In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Gmail with Trello. This is a fantastic way to streamline your workflow, making it easier to manage your tasks without leaving your email. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's get started. The first step in integrating Gmail with Trello is to install the Trello add-on. To do this, open your web browser and go to the Google Workspace Marketplace. Once you're there, type in Trello for Gmail in the search bar. You should see the official Trello add-on listed. Go ahead and click on it. Once you've clicked on the Trello add-on, you will need to click on the Continue button to initiate the installation process. Next, select the Google account that you want to use. It's important to choose the account linked to the Gmail you use most frequently. After that, you'll see a list of permissions that the add-on is requesting. Take a moment to review those permissions, and when you're ready, click Allow. Once the installation is complete, click Done to finalize the setup. You've now successfully installed the Trello add-on in your Gmail. Now that we have the add-on set up, let's connect it to your Trello account. Open your Gmail inbox and look over to the right-hand sidebar. You should see the Trello icon there. Click on it to open the Trello panel. If this is your first time connecting it, you may be prompted to log into your Trello account. Just enter your credentials and authorize the connection between Gmail and Trello. This will allow you to manage your Trello boards directly from your email. All right, now that everything is connected, let's move on to converting emails into cards. This is where the magic happens. First, open the email that you want to turn into a task in Trello. Once you have the email open, click on the Trello icon in that sidebar again. When you do this, you'll notice something pretty cool. The email's subject line automatically becomes the title of your Trello card. That's right, no need to type it out manually. Plus, the body of the email will be added as the description of your card. This feature is a time saver and ensures that all pertinent information is right there for you. Now you need to choose the board where you'd like this new task to go. Trello can get quite organized with boards and lists, so select the specific board that's relevant to your email. Once you've done that, pick the specific list within that board where you want the card to be created. Finally, once everything looks good, click on the Add Card button. Just like that, you've created a new task in Trello from your email. It's a simple yet powerful way to keep your work organized and efficient. And that's how you integrate Gmail with Trello and convert your emails into actionable tasks. Give it a try and see how this can streamline your workflow. If you found this video helpful, please consider hitting that subscribe button and giving us a thumbs up. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.